All right, just getting back here. I'm gonna take the blower, give a little blow here in the driveway. Hey, there's Jack. The other one, my eyes right there. There's Charlie, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get my blower out. Just blow quick, nice today. Blow my driveway here, and I'll blow my driveway over on the other side. All right, let's get this baby started up. I haven't started it in a while. Let's see how many she starts up well. Or... Look at that, eh? Great machine. Stihl, you couldn't ask for better with Stihl. They're number one. All right, let's just clean this up here a bit. See a lot of mud right here. A lot of mud. I have to use a power washer for that. Let's go down front here and see what we can get cleaned out here. All right, let's go. We'll do the other one too. Just blow the rocks and the stuff out. All right, let's go run the other side. Look how good that dog is. He just sits there. Wife's backing out. He just sits there like a good dog, make sure everything is okay. The other ones just sit right here, sitting here. All right, let's go over on the other side, see what's going on. We'll go do the other driveway. Things are starting to look good here. Sure is nice when the weather is nice. Changes everything. Even makes you feel better, I think. I know it's all in the head there, but long winter. These winters are long here. The snow and the cold, and see here in the front there's not as much sun. See, we still have some snow in the pathway here. So what I'll do is I'll clean up this driveway here. I'll just give it a quick blow like I did over on the other side. We'll take it from here and we'll blow it down to the street. All right. Things are coming along here, you guys. I'll go show you guys here down in front as I'm blowing it. This little backpack's only a 600, but good enough for the house. I like to take these poles out, but they're frozen right in the ground. Frozen right in the ground. A couple of weeks be able to take them out. Take them right out, put them away. That'll call it another winter. The winter from 2021 into 2022 is in the books. Here's my guys right here. Hey, you guys. All right, so anyway, that's a little cleaning, little thing. Like I told you guys, you're gonna get a little bit of everything right now until we start cutting the trees down and doing all that stuff. See, the leaves haven't started coming out yet. I'll show you guys here this branch. You see They're starting. Look at that. It's starting to come out. That there was a maple tree. I'm starting to see the end, turning the corner. Beautiful sun though today, look at that. Isn't that something? I don't know if you noticed, look at how much the snow has melted. I did a video Saturday. We had a snowstorm where I was passing the snowblower. And this is Thursday. We're Thursday today. I'll probably throw this up on Friday. I'll throw this up tomorrow morning. The snow has melted here. Look at that. When I did my video, the driveway was all full of snow. The pathway here too. And Charlie's got his ball, he wants to play. Here's the other one, he's got his ball too. Just wanted to show you guys, look at the truck. This truck was all clean this morning. This truck was all shined up. Just ran around today doing estimates. And see what it does? And you have to clean that every day, because if it gets dirty, you have to make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want customers to see a dirty truck. Sorry about that. You don't want the customers to see that. Anyway, so we'll jump on it, get the power washer out, wash it up, make it look good. Just want to show you guys the back of it. Look at that. Our roads are so dirty here. I didn't go on no dirt road or anything. This is on asphalted roads. Our streets are asphalted. It's just that they're really dirty. You get the snow that's melting and it's running off. And there's dirt in the snow, so it's running off into the streets. And look at that. Look how dirty that is. So it's not like, you know, it's not like we're going on dirt roads. Look at the water running here. That water's coming from up the street. We're a bit on an angle, so everything comes down. Goes here, goes over, goes around, and goes all the way around to the backside, over to the backside over there. Got my two security guys here. Right here. My two security guys right here. Hey. Yes, sir, buddy. All right, let's start cleaning this thing up here. All right, you guys, this is where we're gonna start the music. That's it. So I want to show you guys quick clean, quick wash. Every time the truck is a little dirty, you gotta shine her up, make it look good for your clients when you go around. Everything looks good. All right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. That's just part of what we do. So cleaning of the F-150 after you do your estimates. All right, you guys, enjoy the video.